Hello, my name is Mitchell T. Palmer. You know my name, damn it. I'm coming to you live here from the library at the executive room inside Gentleman Barber. And my purpose today is for this Beyond Barbering message. As it clearly states in my post, I received a mailer today from the United States Postal Service. Let's get rid of this music. And here's a copy of it. This mailer indicates the United States Postal Service is hiring for various positions. Join us for a job fair on the following dates: January 22nd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and February 5th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. It also includes in here, as you might be able to tell, the words "join us" and "tell a friend." Now, I know there's a lot of people out there who are not working right now. I know there's a lot of America who believes that something other than work is going to help them through what we've called the pandemic of COVID-19. Folks, seriously, I barber for a lot of men who work for the United States Postal Service, well, at least a handful of them. And they have been, the one unique thing about them is they have been at the United States Postal Service for years. And I'm talking about every one of them I barber for have been at the U.S. Postal Service for a minimum of a decade. Now, do they work hard? Yes, they do. Men that I work for as a barber, a private grooming expert, who work at the Postal Service work hard. They work long hours. They work as much as they want to and then some. So if you're shy about working, this might not be the job for you. These men and women who work at the U.S. Postal Service deserve my respect, admiration, and gratitude for the mere fact that these kinds of things come. But for those of you struggling to pay bills, to make ends meet, to feel good about yourself, consider this. Working is one fantastic way to improve morale, to improve self-esteem, and to build self-confidence. So that's my whole of my message. I'm going to show this photo one more time. The United States Postal Service is now hiring. They're having a job fair on the dates below. That's January 22nd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and February 5th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Won't you consider looking into this if you're looking for work? I know the people who work at the post office that I know personally, well, a job is a job. I don't know if anybody loves their job. I happen to love my job, but I created a job for myself because all the rest of them didn't work out so well. Know what I mean? However, I do know that these people feel well taken care of. I know they're well compensated, a little bit above and beyond what your average everyday run-of-the-mill job might pay. And the benefits are phenomenal. So that's my message for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm going to continue and finish this out by saying again, my name is Mitchell T. Palmer. You do know my name, damn it. I did that without the little graphic and the zoom in. Won't you consider looking into a possible career path at the United States Postal Service? Get yourself some confidence, some self-esteem, some self-worth. Pay those bills, take care of your family and yourself. Spread something around the world near you. In the meantime, I would like to say, kind of appropriate, the United States Postal Service is the bulk of, or the target of my message. God bless America. God bless each and every one of you. The United States of America is still the greatest nation that ever graced planet Earth. And my final message to you, as usual, is why don't you go out there and be good, or don't get caught.